yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that sun on top, yeah.
So this is my hair, guys, and I think it turned out really nice. Of course, there were some areas that weren't like as bleached as other areas, but it still came out looking really good, and I actually love it. It looks really pretty. This is the color that I've been wanting for the longest time. Like, it's not red, but it's not purple, it's not too dark, it's like not brown either. It's actually like burgundy. I love this color. It's my favorite. Arctic Fox dyes are the most amazing dyes, guys. Like, I'm super happy about the product and everything, and like, I'm just gonna keep buying them. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions about anything, leave them down below. Bye, guys. No light. This is just my room light. So if y'all were just wondering, so.
Yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Yeah. Now break. Take it in, feel it all around. Take a breath, feel the wind, don't fake. Nah, that's a sin. Invest in yourself, liberate.